Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how you can make money in 2025 by just doing these simple steps, using this simple trick, right? So if you are looking for how you can make 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 daily, then you are in the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how you can do this, and make money for yourself from the comfort of your home, using any device that you want, like your mobile phone, your desktop, your laptop, your tablet, in 2025. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you how you can do this step by step. So the first thing you need to do is to locate this website, which is zappyconnect.com. But before I can take you to this website, I want to show you something on Google. Now if you go to Google and then you type in buy Instagram followers price, just the price, you're going to see a lot of people who are selling Instagram followers for as high as, some are selling it, I think this is 12,000, okay, sorry, $12. Now if you convert that to any to Nigerian currency, which I'm currently shooting this video from, it's almost 20,000. So if you check this over here, you can see they're selling 1,000 followers for $39, which is really high, to about 60,000 for just 1,000 followers. Now if you look at this, people are selling it for really high price. So let's look at this, $39 for just 1,000 followers. But I'm going to show you a website that sells this same 1,000 followers for just $2. Now the website I'm talking about is zappyconnect.com. So all you just need to do is locate this website, zappyconnect.com. I'm going to drop the link in the comment section and also in the video description, so you can just easily locate the website. You just check on the comment section, you will get the link over there. Now we're going to go to this website, and then we're going to go through this website. You can go through it, I'm very familiar with it. You can go through this website, right? And then you can check out the services, everything. You can go through it, and here are the services that this website provides, right? So they provide Instagram followers, Facebook followers, Facebook like, Facebook comment, Instagram like, Instagram comment, YouTube views, YouTube like, YouTube subscribers, YouTube comments, and so on and so forth. You can get a lot of services from this website. Now what you're going to do now is that you are going to create an account on this website, right? So I'm not going to click on login over here, because then you scroll down, you can get the create account, although you can just get it from the home page over here, and then you see where they say sign up, right? So you click on it, and then you'll be taken to the place where you can register, right? So you just need to insert your first name, your last name, your username, your email, your phone number, and create a password for yourself. Although I already have an account, I'm not going to create an account here. Once you do that, once you fill up the whole box, you click on the I'm not a bot, and then you verify you're not a bot, and then you click on the I agree to the terms and conditions. You can read through the terms, and when you're done, you can sign up by clicking on the sign up button over here. So I'm already done. I've created an account before. I'm not going to create an account, but make sure that your email is correct and your email is working. So you're going to have to verify your email before you can create an account at Zappy Connect. So once you're done with creating your account, you're going to click on the login. Either you use the login here, or you click on the login, and then you'll be asked to log in into your account. Now once you log in into your account, you have to provide your username and your password, and then you log in. Now here is my account over here. You can see I've done some transactions. Now this is just my demo account. You get just a demo account. This is not my real account. For some reason I choose not to use my real account. As you can see, it's testing. So this is just my demo account. For videos I used to show, teach a lot of people some videos on how to use this platform. So for example, you can go through this. These are the menus. You can fund your account using this fund wallet button over here. So you fund your account using any form of payment you want to use, like cryptocurrency, like Flutterwave, like PayPal, you can use this to fund your wallet. And you can get the services over here. Check out the services that you want to use. Now I've already made a video on how you can fund your wallet, so I'm going to leave a link to that video over here. Now if you want to check your fund history, you can use that over here. If you want to check your transactions, you can use that over here. And if you want to place an order, there is a new order, a mass order, or a refill or whatever, you can use that over here. So here you can place any order you want by clicking the services. Like let's say you want to buy Instagram followers, and then you want to make a diamond like service. You just want to select a diamond service over here, and then what you just need to do is to put your Instagram profile, and you can check the description over here and the minimum quantity with the maximum quantity and the price. Like I said, you can get it for $2.46, right? $2.46. Now note that you can fund your wallet using Naira if you are from Nigeria, and you can use dollars if you are from any part of the country. So now you can just buy 1,000 followers for as low as $2.46. Now if I put quantity here, 1,000, you see it here, $2.46. So now we know where to buy followers and engagement services. So note that it's not just Instagram followers you can buy on this platform, and it's not just Instagram followers that you can make money with. So you can make money with a lot, like YouTube, like Facebook, watch time, whatever services that people are looking for. You can buy it from here and sell it to them using arbitrage, right? So you buy it at a cheap price and sell it at a high price. So this is one way you can make money through arbitrage, right? Now what you are going to be asking is, where do I sell these services? So guys, if you go to Facebook, and then you click on groups over here and you search for follow, right, you're going to see a lot of groups on Facebook that are growing their social media accounts, right? So you can see that this group over here has over 187 followers, no, 187 members, right? These have 35,000 members, these have 69,000 members, 48,000 members, and so on. This is 282,000 members. And if you just look for groups that are public over here, you're going to see more members over here. You're going to see more groups that have high members. There are lots. Now the reason why a lot of people are looking to grow their followers is because social media now is paying for people to engage and people to just to create content. So if you are into social media and you're not creating content, then I don't know for you, because right now people are being paid a lot of money just to create content, and a lot of people are looking to grow their content so that they can become eligible to get paid on social media. So as you can see, this is a group that I'm a member of, and if you look very well, you can see that the comment over here is over 1,800. A lot of people are engaging and they are ready to engage just to get followers. Some people are desperate looking for followers, some people are desperate looking for engagement for their page or their accounts, and you can come in here and just tell them, look, I can help you get 1,000 followers or 10,000 followers for this price, and they will pay. Trust me, they will pay. So now I've shown you a way on how you can get customers to buy from you, right? I've shown you a way on how you can get customers who will pay for your services, and then here is another way to get customers who pay for your services. So if you go to Google and you type in follow WhatsApp groups, you are going to see a lot of WhatsApp groups on Google that are just for growing social media accounts. Now if you look over here, this is 630 plus social media WhatsApp group links. So these are people who are on WhatsApp just to grow their accounts. So guys, I've shown you how the hustle works, right? and I've shown you how you can create your account on Zappy Connect and also purchase services, and then I've shown you where you're going to get customers from. So if you need any extra explanation on this, you can drop a comment on the comment section, right? And you should note that Facebook and WhatsApp groups are not the only way for you to get customers. You can also get customers from your WhatsApp status, from just messaging people that who be interested. Drop updates on your WhatsApp status. Drop messages to your family and friends. Ask them if you're interested in growing your followers. And anybody who is creating a business, maybe they have a low following or low engagement on their social media platform, and their business owners, they can buy followers to look more professional, right? And by doing that, they pay you, and then you provide the services and then keep the profit, right? So as you can see, guys, this is proof that I have been able to make over 17 million naira in just 1 month, in the month of June. So this is just the month of June over here, and I was able to make over 17 million naira selling social media engagement, right? Like Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and so on. So if you're looking for a way to make consistent money in 2025, then you are in the right place. Now this is 2025. As you can see, this is just January. I decided to show you guys January 2025. So I'm going to refresh this to prove to you that this is legit. So I hope that you start this and take action so you can make money right here from the comfort of your home in 2025. So if you're going to need a customized message or a format to use and message people on Facebook and WhatsApp, if they'll be interested in your service, then you can check at the description of my video and also in the comment section, where I will show you, or I'll give you 5 different message formats that you can use to start a message with other users, other Facebook members, other WhatsApp members, and then you can introduce yourself and also introduce your services that you want to provide. And then if you are interested, they will let you know based on how you chat and you follow them up. They'll let you know if you're interested in buying the services from you, or if they will not be interested in that. Now, don't forget to drop a comment on this comment section if you have any question, or if you need me to create another video that will help, or that will explain this stuff better to you. You can drop it on the comment section and type Zappy Connect on the comment section to know if you guys really like this video and if you want me to create more videos just like this. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notified anytime we drop a valuable video just like this. And I hope to see you on my next video.